Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. In this video, I will show you how to add RAM extend or virtual RAM on Infinix Hot 40i and Infinix Hot 40 Pro. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Okay, first open your settings menu. Then go to my phone menu. Tap on RAM. Okay, after that, enable MEMS function. Click it. You can see, please set the storage space to be converted. Activation of this function will take effect after phone restart. You can add RAM extend or virtual RAM on your device until 8 GB. I choose 8 GB. Click it. And then click activate and restart. Okay, wait a minute, your phone has been turned on. Okay, finish. Okay, I will check my extend RAM. Open settings menu. Click my phone. Successfully you can see my RAM is 8 GB plus 8 GB expandable. So this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.